Hey there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's quick video, you are going to see how to delete search history on YouTube. So if we delete our search history, we can just manage our search options more easily. So head over to your YouTube application and just go to your account and click on the profile at the bottom right corner, and then go to Google account. Then scroll up and go to data and privacy. Here scroll down until you see an option YouTube, or you can just go to the search option at the left of your profile icon, history. And here you will find your YouTube history option and go to that. Once you go to your YouTube history, scroll down and you'll see an option manage history. Click on that. And here you will get several options to delete your YouTube history. And you can see there are options that is auto delete and saving your YouTube history. And currently I have turned on my saving my YouTube history. And as I want to delete my search history, all I need to do is click on the delete drop down box. And they will give me the three options. One is delete of today, and I can also change my custom range that sometimes we might need to delete of some of the days history, that is like from this day to yesterday, or like from 2 September to 10 October. So like this, you can also delete of custom range. And if you want to delete all the search history, you can just click on delete all time. So I'm just deleting of today, so delete today, and the deletion is complete, you can see. And this is how you can just delete your search history on YouTube. Hope this video will help you out, and please make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and we will see you in the next one.